In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic 2 Advanced Level. In this lecture, I will solve Pakistan Public Examination 2020 MCQs, that is the sequence 2n iota divided by n plus iota minus 9 minus 12 iota plus 2 divided by 3n plus 1 plus 7 iota. Since solution, that is limit n approaches to infinite, 2n iota divided by n plus iota minus 9 minus 12 iota into n plus 2 divided by 3n plus 1 plus 7 iota. So first of all, take n common, so n into 2 iota divided by denominator common n, so n into 1 plus iota divided by n, so denominator numerator and cancel. Similarly, next common denominator n, so n into 3 plus 1 divide n plus 7 divide n iota, so denominator numerator and cancel, so apply n is equal to infinite. So after simplifying, we get the result limit n approaches to infinite into 2 iota minus 9 minus 12 iota divided 3. So take common 3, so 3 into 3 minus 12, so which is equal to minus 3 plus 6 iota, so minus multiply minus plus 6 iota, so option C is correct. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.